Hey, if you've ever thought about making money online by publishing kids' books, but felt overwhelmed by all the steps, writing, designing, formatting, uploading, then this video is exactly what you need. Because today, we're talking about something that's changing the game for beginners and busy creators alike: Kids KDP AI. Now, let's be real for a second. Creating a single kids' book the traditional way can take hours, sometimes days. You have to come up with a story, design pages, create illustrations, format everything correctly, and then hope it actually looks professional enough to sell. And most people, they give up before they even publish their first book. Not because it's impossible, but because it's just too much work. That's where Kids KDP AI comes in. This tool is designed to simplify the entire process of creating kids' books, whether it's storybooks, coloring books, puzzle books, or activity books, all from one simple dashboard. No switching between 5 different tools, no complicated setup, no technical skills required. Just a few clicks, and your book is generated. Here's how it works. Step 1. You choose the type of book you want to create. It could be a storybook, a puzzle book, a coloring book, or even a learning ebook. Step 2. The system automatically generates the content for you. We're talking about the pages, layouts, and even the structure of the book. And step 3, you download your finished book and upload it to a publishing platform where buyers are already searching every single day. That's it. Now imagine this. Instead of spending days creating one book, you could potentially create multiple books in the same amount of time. And each book becomes a digital asset that can generate income over time. That's the real power here: scalability. But let me be honest with you, because this is important. This is not a magic click-and-get-rich system. You still need to think like a creator. You need to choose the right ideas, make sure your books are appealing, and focus on quality. Because at the end of the day, parents are buying these books for their kids, and they expect something that's fun, engaging, and worth their money. The good news? Kids' books are always in demand. Parents, teachers, and even gift buyers are constantly looking for new content. And unlike trends that come and go, educational and entertaining kids' books have a long shelf life. That means your books don't just disappear after a few days. They can continue generating sales over weeks, months, even years. And when you build a collection of books, not just one, but multiple, that's when things start to compound. One book might not change everything, but 10 books? 20 books? Now you're building something real. What makes Kids KDP AI interesting is that it removes the biggest barrier for most people: the time and effort needed to get started. It gives you a shortcut, not to success, but to execution. And in this space, execution is everything. Because the people who win are not the ones who overthink, they're the ones who actually publish. So if you've been sitting on the idea of starting your own kids' book publishing journey, this might be the push you need to finally take action. Start simple. Create your first book. Learn the process. Improve as you go. And most importantly, stay consistent. Because at the end of the day, success in this space isn't about one perfect book. It's about building a library that works for you over time. All right, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.